In the WP Ghost plugin, the text mapping feature allows you to easily modify class names or IDs with custom alternatives. This is especially helpful when you want to replace WordPress-prefixed class names that can be easily detected by theme detectors. To start, simply input the current class name on the left and the custom class name you want on the right. This lets you adjust your site's appearance in a more secure, personalized way. WP Ghost also provides a list of predefined class names, allowing you to select and apply them instantly, simplifying the process even further. However, keep in mind that some classes might be tied to JavaScript or CSS files. Changing these could impact your site's functionality or design. For example, the WP Post image class is crucial for WooCommerce product variations. Altering this class will stop the image switch when selecting product variations. If you plan on changing core class names like WP Block, Elementor, or WooCommerce, it's important to activate the option in WP Ghost that allows you to modify class names not just in HTML, but also in CSS, JavaScript, and cached files. Without this, the change won't fully apply and may cause functionality issues. When you enable this option, WP Ghost dynamically loads your site's static CSS and JS files to apply the changes. This can cause a slower first load of these files. To improve performance, we recommend using a caching plugin or enabling WP Ghost's built-in caching for CSS and JS files. Once you've made your changes, save them. On the front end, you may not see the changes applied while you're logged in. This is intentional, as it prevents conflicts with page builders during editing. But once you log out, you'll notice that WP Block has now become simply Block, and all other custom class name changes have been applied as expected. And that's all there is to it. The text mapping feature in WP Ghost is a powerful tool to help you personalize your site's code while keeping it secure from theme detectors.